welcome back to my channel. This is Sisi for CCTV style. CCTV style. Yeah, you love it. I've been asked time and time again to do this tutorial. I'm actually going to do something a little bit different today. So this look that I'm doing is a glam golden evening beautiful. It's my signature look. You won't find me without this look. I love it so much. It's just goldy. It's very J-Lo inspired, goldy, nudie, glowy look. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna do something a little bit different today because I am gonna do a little bit in Arabic. أهلا وسهلا بكم. هذه سيسي for CCTV. يلا يوم نوريكم باش ندير مكياج ناتشورال بالحق مزيان باش تحضر ولا مشيتي شي موضة يكون كيشان. ما كنهضرش عربية بزاف غير استهلوا بيا. بغيت ندير هاد الفيديو لكم حيتاش انا عمري ما شفت فيديو ديال مكياج في الانجليز والعربية. So I'm gonna try and do both. So I've never seen like a tutorial in Moroccan Arabic and English, sorry. So I'm gonna try and do both. So sorry about if my Arabic is terrible. And the English guys, sorry guys, you're just gonna hear like a lot of khalakh, but you'll get with it. So first thing for Lula, we're gonna go in with our Maybelline Instant Eye Eraser in nude and نعملو head concealer كيمشي لهنا. I'm gonna go in with my Bourjois Chocolat in 52 كيعيطوا له bronzer هيداك. نعملو مع هاد مشطة كبيرة. What do you call this? A brush? I don't know. But yeah, so a big bronzing brush. Gonna get right in there with the product. من تدير البرونزر دائما خاصة تعمل هيدا باش عنقك ووجهك يكون كيف. So yeah, I'm just saying you always got to do your neck and your face. You can build this and build it on as you like. So what I have here is a Barry M. Can you see that? This is a Dazzle Dust. It's almost done because this is like my favorite color ever, and it's in a very nice, I would say a beigey brown. So yeah, so I'm just gonna pat this on there. So هادي هتجيبها من باري ام. شوفي اللون كيكون بحال ذهبي وقهوة كيف مع بعضياتهم. So يلا what I'm gonna do is حيت عندي بزاف ديري مع صباعك حيت لا عملتي مع المشطة. Is that what they call it? I don't know if that's what they call it. Oh my god, people must be just dying at me because I'm just hilarious. But لا عملتي مع المشطة يهبط لك. So what I was saying was, I must sound crazy to you guys, I'm sorry. But anyway, I'm using my finger because when you use a brush it's just too much excess fallout and it just wastes the product, so you don't really need to. Fingers are your best tool because your fingers are skin and it's skin contact. So as you can see, right, that's in there as it is. Just give that a nice blend it in. خاصة تعملي مع صباعك I blend. ما كنعرفش blend في العربية but blend. So ها هو اللون. عاملي هيدا. I'm going back to my trusty Chanticaille. It is rinsed. However, this goldy colour is just beautiful. So what I'm going to do is, with the same finger, you just pop that in the corner there. So عاملي لون بحال ذهبي بحق بارد. هتعمل له هيدا في how do you say corner ديال عينك basically. عاد عاملي لهنا غير لهنا شوية صافي. ماشي بزاف وعاد خاصة عاملي هيدا باش blend مع الاخرين. I don't know. Anyway, sorry guys, I mean anyway, I think I can start with my eyebrows because I'm dying to get these done. Eyebrow palette. هذا للحجبين. جيب هذا هيدا غير شويه عاوتاني هيدا غير شويه خاص اعمل هيدا وش ما call it الفورمه ولا how do I say it? I don't know how to say it. Basically, strokes. What I'm trying to say to you is strokes in Arabic. God, my Arabic's so bad. خاص تعمل what would they say in French? Like le dérodon or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, خاص تعمل يدك غير شوية هيدا عاب شوية عليك عاد عاوتاني دخل شوية زيد شوية باش تبيلد خاص تبلديها ماشي تعمل قش you know عاد تولي بحال راجل ولا بحال liner pen to do eyeliner now. دابا نعملو الكحل نعملو الشرطة لهنا باش define it. Okay, so I like to add a little bit of mascara on there, make sure it's waterproof. And then, oh God, help me. Oh, am I going to try and do it here? I don't know how I can do this. My lips look dry. خاص تديري هيدا اسمح لي خصني نديرها في المراية. Let me do this in the mirror because I'm just going to F it up. And what I do is I could pull the eye. Any mistakes that you do, just leave it to dry and I'll show you how to clean it up. I'm going to try again to do it in the... Okay, it's not bad. Right, شتي دابا ترى. So, إلا درتي شي حاجة غلطة نجيب كريمة. I have cocoa butter. So, وجيب هذا للودنين. عمل شوية فيها. عمل في اليدك شوية ماشي بزاف غير شوية. هيدا وتسعد ليها. هذا that's too much. That's it. My trusty Shante Kaye, which you can't see, but it's a great bronzer. It's just another nice brownie colour. That's more of a contour colour. يلا دابا هذا bronzer عاوتاني. هادي عيكون بحال contour. Right? Mascara. هذا mascara للشفر. شفارة? I don't know. I really don't know. My Arabic is so bad. اسمح لي عربية ديالي والو بالحق احنا يعني تعرفوا وان شاء الله غنبداو نديرو tutorials في الانجليز والعربية علاش لا. Anyway, so هادي عنده جوج الاولى هي بيضة كتطول شفار. Is that what you call them? I don't know. But yeah, so basically this is the primer of the lashes, which is going to make them long and lovely. Hopefully it should do. Don't forget to do your bottom lashes as well. And then what I've noticed is that you've got to leave that to dry for a little bit. خلي هذاك نشف شويه. خلي هذه تنشف شويه. ولا جبرتي اي حاجه اللي خاصو عدل اللي خاصك تعدلي عمل مع هذا اللي استعملتي الاخر. خلي هذا نشف شويه. دابا غنستعمل هذا الغز هادشي بقي له عاد كونتور شويه. So circular motions. I don't know why my lips are so dry. Circular motions, angled brush. هذا عيكون هيدا باش تدير تستعملها هيدا, you know. So انا شماليه كنستعمل هيدا. اوكي ايش قاعد يطول هادو شيكس ادوس كنا هضر عربيه بالحق هادشي باش نوريكم ويلي نسيت كل شيء. so anyway هذا يطول لك mascara واقيلا. anyway so now we put the mascara on. And what I do is, I'm a nightmare because I'm super messy, but I'll just go in with my cotton bud and fix it all up after. So دابا عاوتاني إلا خسرتي شوية عمل ديك الكيوتيب هاي طلع دير هادو شفرين لتحت عاوتاني. But there we go. Right. So دابا خسرت شوية. So دابا عاوتاني عم نستعمل هذا بالحق نعمل هادي غير شوية الكريمة. اوكي استعملها هيدا بلاتي شويه خليت نشف. خلي هادو شفرين نشفوا وعاد تحيد هذاك الشيء. الا حيدتيها دابا اللي قيستيها غيكون باقا فازقه وعي لصقوا الشفرين ديالك عيلصقوا وما يبانش مزيان. So خليه. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm gonna leave that to dry. Just don't forget it because I'm always going out. My friends are like, you've got that there, and I'm like, oh. I'm gonna add my highlighter. Oh, I should have really put it on there. Okay, well, let me just put it on my nose like that because it stuck to my hand because I had cream on. But yeah, God, my hand looks shocking to my face. Do I look like I'm being kidnapped? هذا highlighter. شتي هذا عيبان بحال وجهك كيشعل. عيرد وجهك كيشعل. كنحطوها شويه لهنا غير نقطه هيدا شوفي عاد حطها بلندي مزيان. خاصك تبلندي مزيان باش يكون. دابا غنعمل ليب لاينر. هاد my hands. Okay, so lip liner. A lovely nude that I've got. This is a matte. We're gonna go straight in with it. I'm using Chantecaille, and this is mango lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It is just incredible. So just wait there. Right, and then we're gonna just pop that on top. Not too much. Ooh, there it is. There it is. My go-to signature look, kind of very glowy J-Lo style makeup. Very natural, very pretty. Goes with anything that you're wearing. And yeah, that's that. ايوا صافي هذه لوك اللي كنستعمل دائما. هذه في الليل تقدر تستعملها الا حضرتي في الصباح الا خاصك شويه الجلامورس تقدر ديرها. هادشي ذهبي حسبي وناتشورال وكتعمل كتبان عيردك كيشحال. So الا بغيتي هاد الفيديو عطيله لايك if you liked my Arabic. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. اعمل لايك وسبسكرايب. غير تكيس معايا غير اسبرتار معايا. Look at that highlight, girl. Yeah. Yes, with the highlight. Yeah, yeah. هو فوالا. Did you see that glow? I know you caught that glow, right? Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Yeah. Come on, glow. Let your body glow with the music. Hey, hey, hey.